Want this Skew Wobble shake? After adding all your textures, zooms and microwave, create an adjustment layer on top of your zoom layer. And add motion tile on your new adjustment layer and copy my settings. Now add s_shake and copy my settings for the amplitude and frequency. Now copy my graph also. After that, add s_hue saturation. Now copy my settings for the brightness. And copy my graph also. Now add BCC lens blur obvious, change the quality to sharper and copy my settings for the iris and gamma and change the iris shape to circle. And copy my graph. And the shake is complete. Now for the Skew Wobble effect, create a new adjustment layer over your shake layer. Copy the motion tile to your new adjustment layer. And add transformer effect and copy my settings for the skew. And copy my graph. Hold Alt key and press on the clock for the skew axis and it should open a command box. Now type time star 400. Turn on motion blur for both layers and your Skew Wobble effect is complete. Now duplicate both layers and place them on the beats. And you're done. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial, guys. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on upcoming tutorials.